Most service businesses lose scheduling opportunities not because they lack leads, but because every job requires multiple phone calls back and forth just to confirm basic details like timing, availability, and pricing. By the end of this, you'll know how to schedule more jobs using fewer calls, how to reduce back and forth with customers, and how to set up a system that books jobs faster with less manual coordination. Scheduling more jobs with fewer calls is not about talking less. It's about removing unnecessary conversations from the booking process. The first step is collecting complete job details up front. When a customer requests a service, you need their location, issue description, and preferred timing in the first interaction. This matters because incomplete information is the main reason scheduling turns into multiple phone calls. The second step is using structured booking options instead of open-ended availability. Instead of asking when they are free, you present specific time slots they can choose from. This reduces decision friction and removes the need for repeated coordination. The third step is standardizing your service offerings. When your services are clearly defined, customers can select what they need without long explanations. This makes it easier to match the right technician, time, and job type without extra communication. The fourth step is using automated confirmations. Once a job is booked, the system should automatically confirm details with the customer instead of requiring manual calls or messages. This prevents confusion and reduces last-minute scheduling changes. The fifth step is centralizing communication. When messages, bookings, and updates are spread across calls, texts, and emails, scheduling becomes slower and harder to manage. Keeping everything in one system makes it easier to see job status and fill gaps in the schedule quickly. When comparing scheduling methods, the main difference is between manual coordination and structured booking systems. Manual coordination depends heavily on phone calls and back-and-forth communication. Structured systems let customers select options directly and confirm instantly. The most efficient service businesses don't rely on conversation to schedule jobs. They rely on clear options and automated confirmations. Another important factor is response time. The faster a customer can book, the less likely they are to contact another provider instead. Reducing scheduling friction directly increases the number of jobs you can confirm in a day without increasing workload. A practical next step is to review your last 10 scheduled jobs and count how many messages or calls were needed before confirmation. That number shows exactly where your scheduling process is slowing down. If this helped you understand how to schedule more jobs with less calls, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of service business systems and operations.